Welcome to Sai World Empire Kharghar, where grandeur meets modern living. This is Vishaka from Fortune Series. Fortune Series is one of the most trusted channel partner of Navi Mumbai. We guarantee lowest price at no compromise. We work with only branded developers so that our clients get good quality projects and secure transactions. Inspired by the architectural brilliance of the world's greatest empires, this luxurious township offers a royal lifestyle like no other. With lavishly designed residences, world-class amenities and seamless connectivity, every moment here is truly majestic. Experience imperial elegance, breathtaking landscapes and a vibrant community in a home fit for royalty. Welcome to Sai World Empire, where your dream of regional living becomes reality. This project is spread into 18 acres in which you get 3 phases. Phase 1 and Phase 2 has been delivered. Phase 1 has 3 towers, whereas Phase 2 is your in-house mall. And in Phase 3, which we are launching currently, we are launching Phase 3 in which you get 2 towers. So in Phase 3 you get 2 towers, amongst where from ground level, from basement to the second floor you get your car parking, and from the third floor you have your podium amenities. All your podium amenities are on third floor, and from fourth level starts your residential area. In this township you get configuration of 2, 3 and 4 BHK. Talking about the connectivity from this project, you get a great connectivity to the Mumbai-Pune Expressway, which is just 10 minutes away from here. Upcoming Navi Mumbai International Airport is just 30 minutes away from here. Then Atal Setu is just 30 minutes away from here, and Kharghar railway station is just 10 minutes driving distance, and Amandut metro station is just 2 minutes away. So the highlighting and the star point of this project is they also have a 75,000 square feet spreaded clubhouse, which includes squash area. This is your squash, and a dash bash move on car bumpers. This is included in your township. This is included in your clubhouse. And this is your badminton court. This is your badminton court, which is in-house and in the clubhouse. So this is what all you are getting in your township. They also have a DJ room. And they also have a bowling zone. अब आपको टाइम जोन या फिर बॉलिंग जोन के लिए कहीं पर जाने की जरूरत नहीं होगी, बिकॉज साई वर्ल्ड एम्पायर हैव कवर्ड एवरीथिंग. And you also get a snooker club. This is where you get all your indoor sports covered. Shh, this is your library. ऐसा कौन सा भी प्रोजेक्ट नहीं है जो आपको म्यूजिक रूम भी देता है अपनी अम्यूनिटीज में. If your best hobby is to dance, then don't worry. Sai World Empire have covered that. This is your spectacular size of dance room. In your leisure time, you can watch movies in this massive mini theater. This is not just an ordinary club house. इस क्लब हाउस में आपके सारे सपने सच होने जाएंगे. जैसे कि देख रहे हो, ये है आपकी आर्ट गैलरी. यहाँ पर आप आपका आर्ट इंजॉय कर सकते हो. This is your pottery house. This is your pottery club where you can enjoy all your pottery sessions. Sai World Empire have considered your celebrational occasions. Here you get your magnanimous amount of banquet hall. If you are a working woman, do not worry. Sai World Empire have taken care of your kids. There's not a single activity which is left here. So here it is, your Zumba and Aerobics club. Here's your fully equipped gym. So yes, your physique has also been taken care of. So this is the top floor of the clubhouse. Right now we are at the top floor of the clubhouse, where you get a beautiful and magnificent size of Sky Lounge. This is your Sky Lounge. In your residency, in your township, you have everything, right from the Sky Lounge to the clubhouse to the banquet hall to the gym. You have everything. So this was the tour of your clubhouse. I'm very sure that Sai World Empire's clubhouse will definitely enhance your kids' creative imagination. So let's go and take a tour of their 2 BHK sample flat. So the configuration you get here is 2, 3 and 4 BHK. Let me give you a short glimpse of their 2 BHK. The carpet area of this sample flat is 877. You get 3 variants in 2 BHK. One is 790, 877 and 901. So let's hop in. So this is their beautiful massive size of living room. This is beautiful living room. This is an L-shaped living room, as you can see. Here you can place your dining table. This can be your dining area, and this is your sitting area. As you can see, you get a beautiful amount of size. This can be your TV unit, and they also give you great and beautiful wallpapers. You can see the quality of the wallpapers, they are very beautiful. And this is the balcony. You can see the balcony is very massive. The size of the living area is 11 by 17.6 and the balcony size would be 11 by 5. So this was your massive living room. Let's get to the kitchen. So this is your parallel sided platform kitchen. यहाँ पर आप जो भी फिटिंग्स देख रहे हैं सारे सेम फिटिंग्स आपको मिलेंगे. यू आर गेटिंग द बर्नर, यू आर गेटिंग चिमनी, यू आर गेटिंग सिंक. सारे फिटिंग्स जो है सिमिलर ही रहेंगे. एंड इन योर किचन यू ऑल्सो गेट एन dry balcony. This is your dry balcony. This is the space of the dry balcony where you can keep your washing machine and dishwasher. The area, the dimension of the kitchen is 8 by 9. This is your kitchen. Here you can keep your fridge or else puja room, you can make it over here. And this is your common washroom. This is your common washroom. All fittings would be same. सारे faucets, सारे sanitary faucets same रहेंगे यहाँ के. All tabs, everything would be of Jaguar. All fittings would be of Jaguar. As you can see, all fittings are of Jaguar. सारे branded fittings आपको यहाँ पर आएंगे. This is your partition for the bathroom. This is your commode area and this is your sink platform. So everything would be same, right from the mirrors, everything would be same. You get non-skid tiles over here. This is your sink platform and you also get a mirror over here. So this is your common bedroom. This is your common bedroom. You can see the height of the ceiling. You can see the size of the bedroom is very massive. These are the beautiful wallpapers you are getting in each and every room. So this is the highlighting point over here that you get wallpapers as well. The size of the common bedroom is 10 by 11. And here comes our massive size of master bedroom. This is our master bedroom. All flooring and everything you can see, this is the wooden flooring you are getting in master bedroom. This is your wooden flooring and this is your great beautiful balcony of master bedroom. You can see these wallpapers are so beautiful, so pretty, so elegant. These wallpapers are, which you are getting in each and every room. The size of master bedroom is 11 by 12 and the balcony of your master bedroom is 11 by 4.6. You can see the balcony. The size of the balcony is very huge. And this is your master bedroom, and here you get nice good amount of passage, and this is your master washroom. All fittings would be same. This is your big amount of mirror. This is your sanitary faucets. This is here where you get your bathroom area. This is your bathroom area. सारे fittings same आएंगे. ये सारे branded fittings है. Everything you are getting branded over here. This is your bathroom partition. This is your commode area, and this is your sink platform. So I really hope you guys have liked the video. Let me know in the comment section आपको ये video कैसा लगा. And do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Fortune Series, because we are one of the most trusted channel partner of Navi Mumbai. We guarantee lowest price at no compromise. Also, do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our latest updates and our notifications.